The 10 most high-calorie fruits that you should avoid in order to lose weight. In this article, you will discover the 10 fruits that contain the highest amount of calories, which you need to avoid if you're trying to lose weight. 1. Nuts, 600 kilocalories per 100 grams. Nuts are rich in lipids and proteins, which explains their high energy intake, 600 kilocalories on average. For pecans, it is 700 calories per 100 grams, 600 for cashew nuts and around 500 for walnuts and hazelnuts. Despite this, we still recommend eating nuts regularly, as their consumption is beneficial for your health. Nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, magnesium, iron, calcium and fiber. 2. Dried fruits, 300 calories per 100 grams. On average, there are 300 calories in 100 grams of dried fruits such as prunes, apricots, bananas, dates or figs. Although they lose their vitamin C while drying, dried fruits have preserved their nutrients, minerals and trace elements. Rich in fiber, they help the intestinal transit and fight against cholesterol. 3. Dates, 300 kilocalories per 100 grams. Dates are very sweet and contain about 300 calories per 100 grams, which makes them very good fruits for sportsmen, but less so for dieters. There are, on the other hand, a good source of dietary fiber and contain a high concentration of antioxidants. 4. Avocados, 220 kilocalories per 100 grams. This delicious fruit is very caloric, as half of one contains 220 kilocalories and 15 grams of fat. The avocado is, however, packed with omega-3, vitamins and minerals. Consume it in moderation. 5. Coconuts, 360 kilocalories per 100 grams. Rich in fatty acids, potassium and carbohydrates, this holiday fruit is full of nutrients, but is also very caloric. On the other hand, the coconut contains a large amount of dietary fiber, which makes it a great ally to our intestinal transit, and a satisfying food. 6. Bananas, 90 kilocalories per 100 grams. 100 grams of bananas contain about 90 calories, making the banana, the most consumed tropical fruit in the world, a very caloric one as well. But bananas are also rich in vitamins, potassium, magnesium and fiber. Enjoyable and easy to take anywhere, it's a perfect snack and a great breakfast if made into pancakes. 7. Grapes, 75 kilocalories for 100 grams. A great ally to cardiovascular health, source of many vitamins and minerals, grapes are an excellent fruit for your health. With 75 calories per 100 grams, it is also moderately caloric. 8. Cherries, 65 kilocalories per 100 grams. The cherry is generous in vitamin C, potassium, provitamin A, vitamin B, zinc, iron, calcium. It is therefore a good ally to your health. It also contains 65 calories per 100 grams, so it can be considered as moderately caloric. Just try not to eat the whole basket. 9. Persimmons, 66 kilocalories per 100 grams. The persimmon is a fruit with a strong antioxidant potential, because it contains polyphenols, carotenoids, vitamin and tannins. With 66 calories per 100 grams, the persimmon is a moderately caloric fruit. These calories come almost exclusively from the carbohydrates that the persimmon contains in the form of fructose, the fruit sugar. 10. Mangoes, 63 kilocalories per 100 grams. There are 63 calories per 100 grams of mango. A moderate calorie fruit therefore, in the last position of our list of highest calorie fruits. It's rich in potassium, vitamin C and fiber. It would be wrong to deprive yourself of all its virtues. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the link at the description below to get your free copy of Favorite Dessert Ebook. 27 delicious recipes that quickly burn fat.